Hi guys, I am on the week 6 page and we're going to go over how to create a blog. So on this page, I have, you're going to set up a free account. So we click here, and when I come here, I'm already logged in. So I'm just going to log out so I can start from the beginning with you guys. So let's go back to this page and let me click again. This will be for me. And here we go. This is the page you will see. So we're going to press sign up. You're going to come up with a username. I've done this a couple times practicing, so I just want to make sure. I'm going to just suggest a password. We're going to make sure we're on Educator. I have to click, I have a bunch of different emails. We're just going to click a different email address. And then we're going to come up with a site title. Maybe I'm going to put Miss Nicole's 4th grade, or Miss Nicole's blog, or maybe it's just 4th grade blog. I agree to the terms and services. I'm not a robot. If you'd like the news and tips, you can do that and then create a site. So from there, I'm going to go ahead to the dashboard. And this looks a little intimidating, but don't worry about it because I'm going to go through the things you need to do. So I'm going to click over here. The first thing is select the theme. I'm going to copy Edublog's default just so I can remember it. Go to Appearance, Themes. I'm going to click here and search for it, and here it is. This just makes it easier for me and you if we're all doing the same theme. So I'm going to customize it, and it's going to open in a dashboard. So here it is, it's ready to go. So let's see what the next thing is once I have my theme. It says add a tagline. So for site identity, which is right here, we're going to add a tagline. And I'm going to say, maybe I'm going to just say loving learning. You come up with what you want to say, just something, just maybe something to grab people's attention. So I'm going to, maybe it's a quote actually. So I'm going to go to the back arrow. You can change your colors if you'd like. And then we're going to have a header image. There's tons on here. You can kind of go through and pick what you like. Once you have a header image, we're going to press back. You can even create it if you want to. So let's see what our next step is. Settings, change the time zone. So we're going to go to homepage settings. Nope, that's not right. Let's see. I'm sorry. Let's see. I'm actually going to go, let's do this. Let's press publish. And then we're going to X out of this, and it brings me back to my dashboard. From here, let's see if there's the settings. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to find Chicago. Of course, while I'm doing this on video, it's going to be harder for me to find it. There we go. I just started typing it in, and it showed up. Scroll down to the bottom and save, and that'll make our time zone correct. So we've done things in appearance, and we've done things in setting. And the next thing we need to do, so let me make sure that I clarify this. This is all in appearance. And then this is from the dashboard. I'll make that easier to see, okay? From the dashboard, this is the settings and time zone. That'll just make it easier for us to be able to see. Okay, so the next thing we're going to go to is the post. So we need to, if we go back to our site, you can see, let's just look at our site. Let's go back to dashboard. And if I come up here, I can view my site. You can see there's some samples stuff on here. So we're going to actually take that off. So we're going to go back, and we're going to go to post, all post. I am actually going to check up here, and that checks those two. Scroll up here, and I'm moving in trash because I don't want those anymore. Okay. And apply, and that will move it to trash. And then let's see what the next step is, the widgets. Okay, so we come back over here. We're going to actually go back to the dashboard. That's what I do when I get kind of confused. Make sure I'm at the dashboard. Appearance and widgets. So I need to make sure that I have appearance again so that we know. Okay, so appearance and widgets, and this looks like a lot, but I promise it's not bad. So we're going to come to this 3-column right side, and we can see nothing is there right now, and we want to add something. So in order to manage your widgets, you have to do it in live preview. So I'm going to click up here, widgets, manage in live preview. And here it is. And here's that 3-column side, right side. So I click down. I'm going to add a new widget, and I want to find a text box. And here it is. And I'm going to say welcome. And then I'm going to put a little opening. This 4th grade blog includes ideas for the classroom as well as student work. Hope you enjoy visiting and learning with us. Something however you want, okay? 2 or 3 sentences, press done. It's just a nice thing to add. So once we have it, we're going to click publish, and we're going to click the back arrow. It shows us that we've done the widgets, and we're going to go back. So let's click back over here and see. So we have these things done. That is just your setup. So it says to insert the blog link on your website. So I'm going to go to Google Sites. I'm going to click on Google Sites. I'm going to find my website, which is right here. And remember, we have a footer at the bottom of our website, and we already have, I'm going to say edit footer, tech blog. So when I highlight that, I'm going to actually put the link for my blog, and you can see there's the link right there, Nicole LSU ELRC 2507.edublogs.org. So I believe you can copy that. If you come back up here to my sites, there it is, and we want to view the site. It's not, oh, here we go. I'm just going to copy it right there. Okay, so copy and go back here, and I'm going to insert my link and paste and apply, and I'm going to publish it. And the reason why is because I want to make sure it's definitely working before I turn it in. So let's go to preview. And when we scroll down, press hide here. When we scroll down, we should be able to click on, and it goes to our blog. So that's real important. That's what we want to see happen. And now the last part, once you have that footer, just take a screenshot and put it up on Moodle, so that tells me graded. So the very last part that you need to do, actually, you know what, guys? I don't think I'm requiring you to do that to Moodle. I only put 2 uploads, so sorry about that. Okay, so you don't need to take that. One less thing to do, saving you time. Okay, so now we're going to write a blog post, and these rubrics are created together. So it's the same rubric for setting up in your blog post. The more that we start working with our blog, the blog post will be worth more on the rubric. So you're going to log into your blog again. So let's go back, and it says go to post on the sidebar. So here we are. So what I like to do when I get confused, let's see, I'm just going to X out of this, and I'm back to my dashboard. I try to get back there. So here's post, and I'm going to say add a new post. And our post this time, and you can play with that if you want, but our post this time is about blogging. So you may want to come up with a catchy title. It's up to you. I'm just going to put blogging in the classroom. And the goal, the directions say your first paragraph, I'm just going to copy and paste this. So your first paragraph is going to explain the instructional benefits of a blog, 3 to 5 sentences. Notice I'm not indenting. Don't indent your paragraphs, and you don't need to label in paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. Just write. And then the other one's going to discuss an educational blog. So on here, there's a link, and I'm going to click on it, and you're going to see this is from Edublog. And when you go down, there's a whole list of blogs. Look at this. This is amazing work. So you can kind of find what your interest is, click on a blog, and you're going to use that for actually with your papers. So for instance, you may want to write, this one is really cool as far as this setup. I visited, put the blog address, which explains a music room. Do you see how they put a cute little title where we march to the beat of a different drum? Love it. If you can come up with something cute and creative. I'm not good on the spot doing things like that. But you may want to put, the appearance of the site is eye-catching. It's easy to read, lots of pictures. People love pictures. There's a comment, you can put whatever you want. You're just taking some time to look at a site. It's an example of something that we're going to create. So back to my website. Nope, that's not it. That's the example. Here it is. So we're going to put everything in. I ask you to include a picture. So to do that, you're going to go plus, and I just type in image, and here's an image. So you can upload an image from, I'm just going to grab something that's on my computer, but you're going to upload an image that complements what you've written. You're going to scroll down. After it is done, I'm sorry, you're going to scroll back up. You can write a caption if you'd like. You can link it to something, your choice. You're going to publish it. It's going to say, are you sure you're ready? Yes, I'm ready. And publish. Here it is. So I'm going to say view post. And look at it now. It's on my home page. You can see I have my title, my tagline. I have my little welcome like we talked about. I have a post and I have a picture. So that is your goal. I will leave a comment once you turn it in. So that'll be kind of cool to see. And once you are finished, take a screenshot of the blog. I'll look on your web page to make sure the link is there. I'll actually access your blog from your web page and grade it from there. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. Please be sure to look at this rubric. It's always good to look at the rubric. It tells you exactly what to do. And it tells you the exact points you will get. So 50 points. Have fun with this. It's a fun little thing, a great way to be creative. And I think I have forgotten where I was. Okay, so if you have anything, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.